Hello, my name is Tracy Moisling, and today we're going to be working on 5-minute or less exercises for your hands using a pinky ball. A pinky ball you can buy at our website at idlerareboutique.com and search for pinky ball. You can also buy it on Amazon or OPTP. All right, let's get started. So you can sit comfortably, whatever feels good for you. These are great exercises that you can do while watching TV, or if you need a break from working on the computer, or if you're a passenger in a vehicle and just have a couple of moments to yourself. So with the pinky ball, I'm going to go ahead and start off on my right hand. My palm is going to be facing up to the ceiling, and I'm going to take that pinky ball and I'm going to roll at the base of the thumb, just up and down lightly. It should feel pretty good, breaking up some tension there. And then I'm going to bring it to the palm, and I'm going to roll it like I'm rolling out cookie dough balls. Then I'm going to bring it to the side of my hand, and I'm going to roll up and down. And then I'm going to go ahead and roll back and forth at the base of the fingers. Good. From here, we're going to take the pinky ball either onto the floor or onto one of your knees, just so you have some resistance underneath. And I'm going to take the pinky ball and I'm going to bring it to the base of my thumb, just like I did when I was rolling on top of it. But this time, I'm going to roll into the ground, really putting a little bit more pressure into it. And then I'm going to bring it to the center of the palm. And I'm going to roll in a circle. And then I'm going to take my hand going to the side and roll up and down on the side. Then I'm going to bring it underneath the fingers, rolling side to side, back and forth. And a little bit different from before, I'm going to go ahead and roll it up and down the entire hand. Maybe go to the side again, back on the thumb, and then release. And just take a moment and notice the difference between both hands. The hand that you just rolled out should feel a little bit freer, should feel a little bit more mobile. And we'll go ahead and work on the other side. So taking the pinky ball, going to the side of the, or just underneath the thumb, you're going to roll up and down, back and forth. Then we're going to bring it to the palm, roll it out like cookie dough balls. And then we're going to bring it to the side of the hand, rolling up and down. Then I'm going to bring it underneath the fingers, roll side to side. Then we're going to bring it down to the ground, and we're going to do the same thing again. Rolling up and down underneath the thumb. And I'm speeding up the second side a little bit, but you're welcome to spend just as much time on the first side as the second side. Then roll it out in the center. Then on the side. And then underneath the fingers, side to side. Then you're going to roll back and forth. Again, you can think of that rolling pin cookie dough analogy again. Maybe get to the side again, wherever feels tension or tight. And then feel both hands. Maybe notice if one's still a little bit tighter than the other. Work on that hand a little bit more. But overall, they should feel pretty good. All right, till next time.